Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix no service problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, here I will give you some possible solution to fix this problem on your iPhone. So that the very first solution is that simply drag down your control center and you are from here just and turn on and turn off flight mode for 3 and 4 times, and after you will be just before flight mode for 3 or 4 times, and after this you will have a simply restart your iPhone, and after this you will have to just check if your problem is fixed or not. So right after this, go for the second solution is, if it does not work, that you will have to make it sure that you are using an update version. Check this or open the setting and then click on general and then click on software update, and you will update is available and automatic is will update, and then you are tap on third, and this check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this video, this go for the third solution. If does not work, that is, you will have to simply check if there is any update available for your clear settings on your iPhone. So for that, open the setting again and tap on general and and then again your hair tap off above your simply check if your update and available on your iPhone clear settings. So guys, update is check if the problem is fixed or not. So after this guys, so the next solution uh, is you will have to just reset network setting. Go on the setting, open and tap on general, and then scroll here and below tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here I have reset, and from here just reset network, and then click on reset network setting, and then you will decide by giving your passcode. So guys, after this check if your problem is fixed so or not. So guys, after there is a final solution that will work for you, that if you will have to just take out your SIM card, and then you will have to clean it with the brush, and after this you will to insert your SIM card again to fix this problem on your device. So guys, hopefully after all this solution your problem will be fixed. So that is it for today video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.